These are the Downy Infusions Calm Dryer Sheets, and they smell fantastic. I wish you can smell it. This is lavender and vanilla bean, and it has a calming effect, and it's so good. It helps reduce wrinkles in your clothes. It also reduces static too. And it's so easy to use. All you need is one sheet for a small load, and this is what the sheets look like. 2 sheets for a medium load, and 3 sheets for a large load. It just smells fantastic. It's going to transform your whole wardrobe to smelling so nicely. And this is what the box looks like. And after you're done removing the sheet, you just tuck it in right here and close it up so the smell stays nice and fresh. And it's just so easy to use. You just toss it into the dryer, and it's safe for all fabrics too. Definitely recommend it. It just smells fantastic. I cannot say enough nice things about this. And it also helps to reduce static too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.